Hey, what's up guys? Soldier Knows Best here. So I've been on a little bit of a smartwatch frenzy lately, but I have another one for you. And this is from the folks over at mobvoi, and this is their TicWatch E2. And so some of the things that this watch has going for it is that it is going to be swim proof, so you can get this thing wet without having to worry about it. And they say the battery for this watch should last you for 2 days. And also it does have a lightweight design, built-in GPS, and a heart rate sensor. And the software that this watch is running is Google's Wear OS, so it should have access to a lot of different apps, and it is just more of a refined operating system that if you haven't used Wear OS in a long time, I really do like it now. But anyway, we'll talk a little bit more about that in a second, but let's get through the rest of this unboxing. We do have the watch, and I'm just going to set that to the side for now. And also inside of the box, you will find this magnetic charging cradle. So there's going to be USB, so you just need to lay your watch on that and then plug it in, and then it'll go ahead and start charging. And there was nothing else inside of the box really besides some paperwork, and you know I hate that stuff. So let's get back to the watch, and I'm gonna get this protective layer peeled off the display and get the rest of this watch free from its packaging. And let's take our first look at this watch. And so just looking at this watch, I like the way it looks. I like the matte black polycarbonate case that it does have, and it is lightweight just from holding it just for a little bit, so it doesn't feel like it should weigh you down. And it's not the thinnest watch out there by no means. It does have some size that's going to take up on your wrist, but generally I do like the way it looks. And then also for the band, this one comes with a silicone band that's very soft to the touch, just like the case, and also to shouldn't be an irritant on your skin, which sometimes I do experience with certain watches. So I think so far that this watch should be something that's going to be great for working out, but I would wear this with anything I personally wear. Now again, I'm not a fashion model, but I think it looks good. Now on the bottom side of this watch, you will find the heart rate sensor, so you can keep track of that important information. And some other things as far as health and just exercise in general is that this watch can automatically detect when you are working out. So if you do start a run, it can go ahead and recommend that it go ahead and keep track of that information for you, so you don't have to remember to go ahead and do that every single time. Maybe you forget sometimes like I do, so this thing can automatically detect that. And so just my first impressions of the screen is that it does get pretty bright. I haven't taken this outside yet, but I think it shouldn't be a problem. And I like the different watch faces that they already have preloaded on here. So of course you can download a lot more from the Play Store, but the kind of stock ones that they have do look really good and very nice and clean, and to kind of match the aesthetic of the watch itself. And then this watch does have the Qualcomm Snapdragon Wear platform inside of it, so it seems to be pretty speedy so far as I navigate the software. Nothing is lagging or hanging up. So yeah, I'm really interested to try out this watch, so stay tuned for my full review, and make sure you do subscribe to me on YouTube so you'll be notified when I do upload that. And also check me out on all my different social media networks, and I'll leave a link down below for this watch if you want to check it out for yourself in the description box too. And so I do want to hear what you think about this watch so far, so leave your comment down below. And so like always, I do want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.